Welcome to the UFCTA website. My name is Edward Evans and I'm Assistant Professor in Food and Resource Economics. My area of specialization is in international trade and development. I'm also one of the Associate Director here at the Center for Tropical Agriculture. As the Director mentioned in his video clip, the Center was established in 1965 with a mission to conduct teaching, research and outreach activities towards improving the standard of living of people in the tropic and subtropical areas, to sustainably improve agricultural productivity and natural resource management, to protect and restore fragile ecosystems, some of which might have been damaged by agriculture, and to help to prevent the loss of biodiversity. Against that backdrop, my research portfolio emphasizes applied trade policy analysis and environmental sustainability of agriculture. I truly believe that for agriculture to be sustainable, it must be profitable, and that the two are not incompatible. And so a lot of the work that I do here at the Center is to conduct the economic analysis, to provide quantitative evidence to show that what is good for the environment can also be good for the farmers. And so one of the projects that I'm involved with is looking at recommending practices to farmers to help them not only to conserve water, but also to improve the quality of this important resource. And so we have been able to forcibly demonstrate that by adopting some of these practices, the benefits far exceeds the costs. The farmers are able to realize tremendous savings in the reduction of the amount of fertilizers that would have been leached, in a reduction in their energy bills, and also in a reduction in the incidence of disease, which would have probably been caused by unnecessary wetting of the plants. Another aspect of my work deals with looking at an alternative to methyl bromides. As we all know, over the years, methyl bromide has been good to the farmers, but it has not been good to the environment. And so what we seek to do is to come up with an alternative that is good to the environment, but at the same time will enable the farmers to remain profitable and competitive. One aspect of my research that occupies a considerable amount of my time is dealing with invasive species. As we have come to realize, one of the byproducts of globalization has been the rapid introduction and spread of harmful pests and pathogens. No other issues in agriculture is as important as the spread of these pests and diseases. And so, if agriculture is to be sustainable, and we are truly to realize the benefits of international trade, then we have got to be able to manage the spread of these pests and diseases. And so the project that I'm involved with seeks to deal with the economics of managing invasive species. And what this project essentially does is it attempts to integrate the economics and the science into a single decision-making framework, so that the user or the policymaker can assess easily what are the likely damages of a particular invasive species, and also evaluate the various management options that they have. And so that the particular course of action that they choose, they can get the greatest bang for their bucks. Now, if anything that we have said is of interest to you, or anything that you have read on this website, then we do ask that you contact us. And for those of you who are thinking about doing graduate studies, let me again remind you that the Center for Tropical Agriculture provides a number of partial scholarships. And for those of you who are already doing your graduate work, well, you might want to consider doing a minor here at the Center for Tropical Agriculture. Once again, let me say thanks for visiting our website, and we do look forward to hearing from you.